Okay.
Hey guys, what is up? It is Simone here. Welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, we are going to be doing another closure. Now, I did a closure video about a month ago, and you guys loved it and requested it and said, yeah, we're done with frontals for right now. So I made life a little bit easier for you guys and got a frontal. I mean, see, I'm so conditioned to say frontal. I got a closure. So this is from Supernova Wigs. This is how the inside looks. I always show you guys how it looks so you guys know what to expect when you are ordering. Now, only thing is the lace is really white, as you can see, super light, so I'm gonna have to just use my powder or foundation powder, or powder to just make it a little bit darker. First things first is you're gonna want to have to bleach the knots. I bleached the knots already, and we want this to look like a frontal. We kind of want it to mimic a frontal. I feel like people think that closures are supposed to look stupid or it's supposed to look fake, and we want it to look as natural as possible. So that's the goal for today's video. All right, so make it nice and snug with no headband. I am gonna go ahead and just use these elastics back here and make that as tight as I want it to be, as tight as you want it to be, whatever floats your boat. I'm gonna go ahead and just put my wig onto my head. So I always tell you guys to try it on first before you get started because you just want it to fit perfectly. Now, some people hate plucking. You're gonna have to pluck, honey. I'm sorry, it just is what it is. Just because we want it to be as natural as possible. If you don't pluck, this is how it's gonna look, and then it's gonna look like, you know, look back in the day ones that we just don't want it to look like. So you don't want it to be too tight because the tighter it is, you can see it's starting to show my hair right here, and we kind of don't want that. I suggest plucking this wig on a mannequin head. We're gonna pluck right here and go back about maybe a half an inch. Okay, so I'm gonna be using a wig cap just because I want to. You don't have to. You totally skip this part if you feel like you need to. So get you some powder that you like, that matches your skin, and we're just gonna paint inside because this is just, again, too light. Put as much as you want. I personally feel like you can never have like too much. And for some odd reason, for some crazy ass reason, for some psycho reason, I'm gonna use glue today. I used it in my last video. I actually liked it. I like the end result. So I'm gonna try it again with glue just because I know there are some wig wearers out there that really do like glue. I actually found this glue in my drawer, the Chic Bond. I don't know where my Ghost Bond is, so we're gonna go ahead and experiment and use this. And we're gonna do it the same exact way you would do it if you had a frontal, okay? Again, I'm not gonna minimize my forehead too much. So not too close to the hairline, but not too like far. And you want to do it the same width as the closure. And if you're not sure, don't do too much. Just do like a small amount. You can always add more after. And I'm gonna take my comb and just smooth that in. And the whole purpose is you want to wait for it to get clear before you go ahead and add your second layer. Let it dry. I'll let it dry. Again, my hairline's right here. The glue stopped right there. Okay, so it's not on my hairline. Okay, since that's dry, go ahead and add on another layer. Less is always going to be more. While that's drying, I'm just going to loosely put my hair back because I just want to get ready for when it's time for me to put my headscarf on it. Then take the excess hair and just pin this up. Now that it's completely clear, we're going to go ahead and just pull. These little areas that are standing up, but I'll show you guys all of that stuff in the end. I want to set my hair now. Set the hairline. Usually I suggest to use oil, but it can get a little bit messy with oil. So if you do have any glue that's before, like after the lace that you cut, just go ahead and take a Q-tip and just wipe it off. Don't go too close to the lace. Okay, so now you're gonna want to comb out any bits of hair that you do want to leave out for your baby hair. And then go ahead and just scoop that out into baby hair. And then we're gonna tie it down with our scarf. So now you just want to go ahead and perfect the curls so it can be nice and uniform. Okay, so next we're going to be using this, just finish off the look. Mine is a little bit messy. And careful not to get it on the lace, just we're gonna hot comb this. I'm just waiting for it to heat up. For this little part, because you can see that's the end of the lace, I'm just gonna, if I could just cover that with hair. And then I'm just gonna trim this. And if that keeps showing, you can actually color that with like black marker. I mean, wow. Eyeliner, or put like a darker color powder over it. Which I'll show you guys before I end this video. Okay, remember how I told you how you needed a black eyeshadow? So here we have my makeup palette, and I'm gonna use this black right here and kind of just put that on like these areas right here.
Okay.